Insomnia. Introduction. People with insomnia have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. Select true or false. Correct. Some people with insomnia have trouble falling into light sleep. Others get less REM sleep and can be woken easily. Which of the following are symptoms of insomnia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Lying awake for a long time before falling asleep. 2. Waking up too early. 3. Waking up during the night. 4. All of the above. Correct. Does insomnia always have a known cause? Select yes or no. Correct. Common causes of insomnia include stress, certain medications, and health problems. Insomnia is usually treated with lifestyle changes before medications are prescribed. Select true or false. Correct. Changing your habits before bed can often help treat insomnia. Which of the following can help prevent insomnia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Sticking to a sleep schedule. 2. Avoiding large meals before bed. 3. Avoiding naps. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.